So I have here a piece of beef. Cut it against the grain. That's the technique of cutting a beef, so it will not get gummy. Now we have to marinate the beef. So I have here garlic powder, ground black pepper, onion powder, and a drop of sesame oil. Then mix. And then add an oyster sauce in it. And then I use a black soy sauce, and then mix it again. And then just marinate it for like 15 to 20 minutes prior to cooking. And now it's time to cook. So I have here also a bok choy. We have to put olive oil in the pan. And then we have to put in the beef first. We have to saute it first. And after that, followed by the garlic, the chopped garlic, and saute it like that. And then followed by the onion, the sliced onion. And saute it like that too. And then followed by the baby bok choy, the stem. Yan, so it's done.